You will make it. Guys, welcome to the start of a new vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Michelle, just in case you're new to this channel. So you guys, I won't leave for the next like 5 days, excluding the weekend. But today's Thursday. Welcome to the start of a new vlog. I've just filmed this content for Instagram and TikTok. Posted some TikTok. You should definitely go follow me there at mitchellechege, and also Instagram at chege michelle. So I hope it's not noisy because I'm near the window and there's a road just here. But anyway, so what I can see my camera blinking, like it's never the right time to start filming. Anyway, so what I wanted to do is, because it's the start of a new era, I wanted to write down. I used to do this during COVID. And then I stopped, or rather when I was more active, and then I stopped. But I want to write down so I can kind of track my analytics in a way. I don't know how I'm gonna put you guys. So I can kind of track my analytics, but also just see whatever I'm doing, you know, it's not like I'm doing zero work. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I won't take down this hair because I feel like it's stressing me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to note down every little growth after every time that I post, or every other like 3 days. So I'm going to write down analytics, and this is just rough, just to see, because I want to see if like I'm growing, things like that. Because I've been noticing that every time I post something like on Instagram, or rather the last time, I get so discouraged because I'm not seeing growth. Like I don't know what I was expecting. Like I post a picture, 1,000 million people have liked, but that's not the case. But anyway, it's fine. We'll get there when we get there. So I have Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So this is how I've written it down. Don't know if you can see. So for Instagram, I'll write down the number of followers we are like 3,000, I think 700 and something. I'll check. On TikTok we're at 800 and something, and on YouTube we are on 230. So I'll write down the date. This is as of coming to you from my phone because the camera is dead and I don't have much to do. I just want to cook, but I'll position you over here so that you can do what cooking. I'll show you what I'm cooking, and just so that you see like an overview of what I'll be doing. Dinner. I'm making ugali and skuma. Stop clapping. I'm making ugali and skuma for dinner today. We attempted to make puff puff, not really we, but he attempted to make puff puff, and I think they turned out pretty decent. Making sadza. I should have brought the ring light here, but it's okay. Just deal with it. Let me actually say it next. Oh, that's better. I think I'll be putting you guys here when I'm cooking. Bruce, look at how it looks from over here. Welcome to Michelle's kitchen. Ow. Welcome to Michelle's kitchen. Episode 1.
Sasa kutafika tamu utakuwa tunaenda live.
Utakuwa na shinda live.
Utanibo.
Utakuwa na shinda live. Utakuwa na kasirika, but utakuwa na shinda. Nikiambia tu tap. Nikiambia tu tap guys. Tap.
You know, Jawik isn't even that tall.
Is this that guy?
Yeah.
You've been doing.
Jawik. But Jawik is just 6'2", man.
And you?
On a good day.
Barely 5'8".
On a good day, I'm 5'9".
Cooking with Michelle, episode 1. Done. Let me know if this is something you'd be interested in. But even if you're not interested in it, I'm still going to do it, whether you like it or not. Let's go to the bedroom. I'll show you what I was talking about.
Chill.
Okay, that's true.
You don't remember this TikTok?
I don't. Okay, forward. So I hate how the lighting looks over here, but we just have to deal with it. But this is the mess we were. This is the mess we created. It's crazy. Anyway, I want to go take a shower. But before I take a shower, I just want to show you what I was talking about before the camera died. On the other side, let me turn this on so you can see me better. Even this one has been... Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is so much better. So I was writing down like my goals for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So where I'm at right now on Instagram is 3710, 25th May. So I'm going to be recording like every other day, maybe like when I post, or maybe after a week or after like 3 days or something. I'll see. TikTok at 25, YouTube to 30. So I just also need to go do a little bit more research on SEO, because that might also be a reason why my videos are not performing as good. Also just to learn about it. It's the next day. It's actually in the evening. It's going to 4 o'clock. I've not done anything. I'm feeling a little bit guilty, but it's like I'm on leave. Should I not have fun? Like, should I just not chill? You know, that's how I'm feeling. Like, I feel too guilty to not do anything, but then again, I keep reminding myself that I'm on leave. But anyway, so it's around 4. So what I want to do is tidy up the house a little bit, because yesterday we were in the whole day, kind of messed up the house a little, and then I didn't feel like doing anything yesterday, and then also today. So I'm just going to show you like a before and after. I want to clean up the sitting room and the kitchen, because I feel like when the sitting room should always be neat. That's what my mom has always taught me. The sitting room should always be neat, because you don't know who's going to pop in at what time. And then also because the kitchen in this house is next to the sitting room, that also needs to be clean. But if it was maybe in a different room, that would be like, oh, okay, it can be a little bit messy. But because this one is in all one room, we need to keep it tidy. So I'll just show you a before and after. And I want to wash clothes. Should I wash a load?
But I want to wash clothes.
Yeah, because I've been saying I want to wash clothes the whole day. Yeah, anyway, but I feel like doing laundry. So I think maybe we tidy up, but I feel like I'm in the mood. Okay, maybe we tidy up the living room. Just tidying it up, not cleaning. Then maybe tomorrow. But I want an answer. Bruce, do you think we should do a load of laundry?
working in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive?
You will make it. You will make it. It's a new woman. It's a new woman.
Bye.
Bye. TTYL.
Simu yako iko so clear, like happy.
Thanks. Thanks.
So bye. I just clean my house.
Bye. In case in the out ndakuonesha my look, the night outfit of the night ndakukola.
Hey, you look here, green eyeshadow. Oh my god.
I knew you would like it.
Like, save it for when I come home in little thing.
Okay, I shall.
Really,
I knew you would like it. And you unapenda too green.
love you.
Love you. Bye. I was just on a call with my boo thing. She's all the way in Malaysia. So I want to have dinner. If you can hear the background, there's clothes in the wash. I don't know why I'm not in focus. There's clothes in the wash, so I want them to dry, and then I just go hang all of them upstairs. Then I'll pick them up tomorrow morning. But I want to have dinner. And I don't know if you guys overheard me saying I might go out, I might not go out. If I go out, I want to at least have eaten. And if I don't go out, it's still fine. It's whatever. But I cleaned the house, half the house. The rest of the house is for tomorrow. I might end the vlog today, but we'll see. Anyway, so this is what I'm eating. It's rice and some leftover chicken. It's kidogo, but you know, there's nothing else. There's nothing else in the house to eat, and I don't want to cook. I want to watch Selling Sunset. I restarted it from season 1, so now I'm in season 4. I want to watch that and just chill. So I'll catch up with you all a bit later. On our cases in a month. Okay, ziko quite similar.
Really?
Because I guess.
Vlog.
Nilikuwa na vlog. Weekend. Hata sijui ni nini hiyo nilikuwa na vlog, but I was just vlogging.
You just vlog.
Shikanisha tu. Oh, anyway, human hair ni different.
Ni different?
It's not the same. Aki ina feel so
Sikia,
nice.
nataka tu order zile manywele za Amazon. At least
Si.
it is 2500.
Nimekuwa nikiziona, acha nizime kitu. Okay, ni poa.
What? Hebu tufungue dirisha hapo mda kitchen na gonga Michelle.
Wow, ni poa.
Cute.
Sana. Nasty girl. Utatuambia, I bought this dress from Nasty Girl. Ish. This is so nice.
Nakapoa.
Sana. It's very nice. Eyebrows zangu zinakaa sijui aje. Anyway, we're on live over here.
Michelle akopa msema type A. Type B ni mimi. Never prepared. I was the one who came up with this idea to meet. Lakini sasa ona. Mimi ndio
Mimi ndio umelegea.
nimelegea. It's It's 4:30.
Na jana nilikuwa naniambia
3:30. Nakuja 10. Nakuja pa 1.
Acha nipige picha yangu ya
One.
two types of people. There's this one, vanity girls.
Siko kwangu.
Two types of people.